Good morning, children. Today we are going to study a new chapter of history, chapter 4, the first cities. We have already studied that early humans used to settle near the river banks, as rivers provided water for domestic use as well as for agriculture. So there are many towns or cities who settled near the river banks. Once a city was Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, who settled near river Indus. These both cities are now in Pakistan. They were inhabited till about 3500 years ago, but over a time period they got buried under the ground and were lost and forgotten from their presence. Later, many scientists started excavating. Here, excavating here means dig out and discovering. The discoveries and excavation led to discover many cities. Whatever they discovered, they came across that they belong to the same culture. In the recent discoveries, most of the early cities were found in the valley of Indus River. That is why archaeologists and historians have named this culture as the Indus Valley Civilization, which is also called as Harappa Civilization. As Harappa was first to settle or first site to be excavated, that means to discovered out first. Harappa was first excavated by Rai Bahadur Dayaram Shahani in 1921 and Mohenjo-daro by Rakhal Das Banerjee in 1922. It was actually Rakhal Das was excavating the ruins of the Buddhist temple when he discovered several layers considering older under the temples, and further he found the whole city buried underneath, and later he concluded that it was different site, not the Buddhist temple. Moving to the other, that it extended or started between 2500 to 1500 BC. That means this civilization flourished roughly between 2500 to 1500 BCE. That is means 3500 to 4500 years ago. And it is also seen that many years after the discovery of Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and other nearly by sites, it was believed that this civilization was limited to a small area near the Indus River, but later on the excavation showed that it was spread a large part of present day in Pakistan and some parts of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Gujarat. So you can see that in this map that area that the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro is near to the river Indus, and some parts of our Indian state are also covering these sites. That means it have some parts of Punjab, Haryana, and in the previous also it is seen that in some parts of Uttar Pradesh also, in Rajasthan and Gujarat. And it is said that some are being excavated, that means dig out, and some are still to be digging out, that means they are excavating now also. It is said that Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are most important sites in Indian history. They are thought to be twin capitals of the civilization. And we have other famous ones, that is Kot Diji, Amira, Chonu Daro, which is in Pakistan, and Rupar in Punjab. We have Banwali in Haryana, Alimgarpur in Uttar Pradesh, Kabil Banu we have in the Rajasthan, Ragpur, we have in Rojdili, Lothal, and Dhaulavira in Goladharo, which is in Gujarat. So you can see in some of the sites which are found while excavating, we can see here in the map. So in today's class we will be doing up to this much, that means which are the sites which are found and why Harappa was called as the first city and who excavated Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. In the next class we'll be starting about the cities of civilization and what are the different important towns which are found in the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Thank you.